Hi, welcome to my channel, Galactic Jamie. Right now I'm doing a series on the how-to nail basic. So this week I wanted to show you how to prep your nails before a manicure. So before you get painting, what to do to give you the best base for your nail polish. So let's dive right in. So to start your nail prep, you want to go ahead and file your nail to the shape you want. I always use a crystal nail file so that it doesn't harm my nail as I go back and forth with the file. I think they work really well. Also, my nails are slightly orange-yellow, but that's because they were previously stained by a nail polish and I had a hard time getting them back to their natural color. This doesn't hurt the nail at all, it just is what it is. So next, you want to take care of your cuticles. I use the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover and I just apply it to my nails. I do this one hand at a time so the cuticle remover isn't on my fingers for too long. And then I use a cuticle pusher and I push back and scrape up the old dead cuticle skin. This part isn't really pretty to watch. You want to make sure that you don't push too hard on your cuticles because you don't want to damage the actual alive skin there, but you do want to remove all that dead skin that's like caked onto your nail. So this is just the way I do it. As soon as you're done doing this, you want to wash that instant cuticle remover off so it doesn't damage the skin. But you just wash it with warm soapy water. So now that that's all done, I go in with some cuticle oil or lotion or cuticle cream. Right now I'm using cuticle oil and I just rub that in just to bring that moisture back into the skin around my nail. So the last step you want to do before you touch your nails with nail polish is to dehydrate the nail. I use an alcohol wipe. I find that works the best. Some people put alcohol on a cotton ball and rub it on their nail. I just find the wipes really easy and quick to use, and they work for me every time. And that's all the prep steps to get your nails ready for a manicure. So now that your nails are all prepped and ready to go, it's time to start painting your nails. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, every single Tuesday, I put out a video on here where I talk about my two favorite topics, outer space and nail polish. So if you're interested in either of those topics, please subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you all have a stellar week. Bye!